Blessed be thy day, for we are not here to win this experiment week. We're here to do something bigger. We are here to win your hearts. We're Carson, and Shani, and we're here to present to you a solution to a basic human need, a basic human right, if you will. You know, we always say, oh, Cartesi enables you to use Linux on the blockchain, What if I told you you can now fall in love with Linux on the blockchain? Well, it is possible now with Cartesi. Meet Linux, your new boo, bae, lover, penguin, boyfriend. Love Linux is an otome game tailored to you. Create your own storyline based on your interactions with this handsome-looking penguin. It can get cute, it can get confrontational, or just straight up messy. Very messy. Why did we create this? Well, clearly there's a demand for such a thing. At the end of the story that you just went through, you'll have your own unique NFT. You can share it, you can brag about it to your friend, have that street cred on how you managed to make this penguin fall in love with you. Please enjoy this story. I don't know what else to say. Enjoy the game. And enjoy meeting this lovely penguin. Thanks.
Not because everything is let's say, beautiful computer games and stuff, but we kind of like want to build in such that it's a storyline that will completely surprise you every single time. So of course we started studying what you can do with large language models and Cartesi machines and deterministic. So we started out originally by looking at llama CPP and understanding why is it exactly that these things are not deterministic. And what you're seeing here on the screen is basically if you're taking the same random seed, the same code, two different machines, two different CPUs, in this particular case, same instruction set, and it starts out exactly the same way, and then subtly, it kind of like goes and changes into a completely different story over time. And this is a bit of a problem if you want to have something that's deterministic, fast to kind of like check. We spent some time stuffing this into the Cartesi machine as well. This prompt took us 5 days to generate, so there's definitely areas to optimize on. In this particular case, we're using the phi tree model here. We managed to find out at the end that it's possible to get deterministic behavior between user mode, QEMO evaluation of a binary, this binary, and inside the Cartesi machine. So at least you can run things multi-threaded. Of course, this kind of like left us a little bit in despair because this is horribly inefficient for any kind of game. So could you move to the next slide? So of course, on Friday, an angel appeared that suddenly has found out how to actually make this performant. So we could actually sit down and focus on what we are good at, which is obviously to making games and cool penguin-related graphics. And it goes to the next slide. And while we didn't manage to kind of like connect everything up together, of course, we've kind of like been using Cartesi for doing this, or want to use Cartesi for doing this in a much better way. Espresso is important for very fast confirmations. And of course, we are using Linux because, well, penguins are involved here in Ethereum. So we had a couple of setbacks here and there with the stuff, but in general, once things like Eduard's acceleration in place, and we can basically go and kind of make a complete storyline and turn that into an NFT that basically has been your own story that nobody else can have made in the world.